My name is Jake Gallen here with Emblem Vault, and today I'm going to teach you how to purchase a Dogeparty asset on OpenSea. Here we are on OpenSea. So what you're going to have to do is we're going to have to go to Emblem Vault. So you're going to type in Emblem Vault, and you're going to see there's a handful of different ones. These two are the legitimate ones, but we're going to purchase it on Ethereum because there's a lot more assets. And what we're going to do is you're going to verify that this is the actual Emblem Vault. You're going to see over 36,000 ETH traded, over 6,800 owners, 2,200 or 22% unique. And you can even go here and click on the verify on Etherscan, and you'll see a bunch of transactions come up and the history of it. You can see there's a long history, so you can identify that this is in fact the real Emblem Vault. And in order to find the Dogeparty assets, Emblem Vault is a curation of multiple blockchains. So what we're gonna have to do is go down here and you're gonna type in all XDP. And what XDP is, it stands for Dogeparty, and Dogeparty has an underlying token called XDP. And so it'll show you here, it's 1% of the total supply of all Emblem Vaults. And so you're going to click on all XDP, and it's going to populate all of the different XDP assets. And we're going to find one here for an example. So we're going to go to Hashpoint, and you can see here it's labeled Hashpoint. The token was minted in 2014 and that it's on Dogeparty. So we're going to want to verify that it is what they're claiming. And there's 3 ways to do so. We're going to see here first that it says unclaimed, which means that there's still something inside the vault that is unclaimed, and the XDP Explorer and the Emblem Finance. So first check XDP, and we're going to see this Hashpoint token does show one amount for the wallet address, DC, and just remember LK at the end. So then we're going to come here and we're going to check the vault and see Hashpoint shows it's a Hashpoint NFT, and you can even come down here and see the deposit address, see DC LK as we just mentioned. So this is in fact the Hashpoint that we're going to want to purchase, and it is in fact what it says it is. So what you do here is you go to add cart, come down here, and you can check out and be very simplistic. This is okay. It just shows that it is in fact a badge collection, but also a mintable collection. So it does have that verified badge. And you come down here and you complete the purchase, and you just go through the entire procedure, pay the gas fees, and you're on to purchasing your first Dogeparty asset. So congratulations.